Imagine you are having a baby. You go to the doctor and they hand you a menu. Do you want blue eyes or green eyes? Do you want them to be 6 feet tall? Do you want them to have an IQ of 160? Do you want them to be immune to cancer? This isn't a movie. The technology to design your children exists right now. It's called CRISPR, and it's forcing us to ask the biggest question in history. Should we take control of our own evolution? Welcome to the Future of Humanity on CurioExplains. Here is the slippery slope. Almost everyone agrees we should use CRISPR to cure horrible genetic diseases in babies. Nobody wants a child to suffer, but if we can fix a disease, why not fix other things? Why not edit genes to make your child stronger, faster, smarter? Scientists have already identified genes linked to intelligence, muscle growth, and memory. In the future, wealthy parents could buy upgrade packages for their kids. This could create a new type of inequality, a world split between the rich, genetically enhanced superhumans, and the poor naturals. Evolution took millions of years to make us. It works by random mistakes. CRISPR allows us to bypass evolution and design ourselves. But are we smart enough to do that? Genes are complex. If you change one thing to make a baby smarter, you might accidentally make them depressed or aggressive. We are rewriting the code of life without fully understanding the programming language. The technology is here, we can't uninvent it. The question isn't if we will design babies, but when. Will we use it to end suffering? Or will we create a dystopian nightmare? The choice is ours. Would you edit your baby's genes to make them smarter? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Curio Explains to keep up with the future. Stay human.